Hey guys, welcome to today's Bondi Sands vlog. I'm Steph Smith and I am going to take you on a weekend at Coachella with Bondi Sands to launch the new product Aero, and I'm so excited to take you along with me because we have got so much planned for this weekend and it's going to be so much fun. I'm here with Bondi at their house for the house party, but we're here a day early. So we're mid setup, that's why there's some stuff in the background, but it's super exciting getting to see the property before everyone else. So there's a claw machine here with the products inside and these little kangaroos hugging it. And I'm the one that has to use it first to show everyone how it works and reveal the product. And I'm pretty nervous because I'm usually really bad at them.
Did you see that? Bondi Sands token for the day, for the product reveal.
When you're ready to put it down, you press it, and then when you want it to close, you hit it again.
Ah, okay, cool.
And don't feel bad if you know, close it.
Oh, damn it! Oh. The bottle's good too.
I'm Blair James, I'm one of the co-founders and directors of Bondi Sands. We're just about to have a sneak preview of our Neon Carnival activation tomorrow night, where we're one of the major sponsors with Levi's and Don Julio. So we're super excited to be involved with Neon Carnival. It's one of the most exclusive parties in Palm Springs this weekend, invite only. So unless you're on one of those invitation lists, there's no chance of getting in. So last year we're seeing, a whole list of celebrities come through, from Leonardo DiCaprio to Drake, Katy Perry, Justin Bieber. So who knows who we'll see this weekend. We've got our first activation down on the right hand side, which is a little water pistol game race where you can win an Australian kangaroo with a Bondi Sands t-shirt. And then we've got our bumper cars set up a bit further down. This whole activation is huge. It's obviously across 3 events through the weekend, but yeah, we've never done anything on this level. So after doing the launch of Express on a private jet, this was the next logical challenge.
Tonight we are going on these gorgeous buses to dinner to meet everyone who's come from all over the world. I haven't met a lot of the girls that are coming tonight, so I'm really excited to mingle and meet some new people. It's gonna be fun.
And look forward to launching the product with you tomorrow and really having a good and fun time over the next 3 days. Thanks guys.
Hey guys, welcome to day 2. We are all in hair and makeup. The girls look amazing. So today we've got the launch party at the house. Very, very excited for everyone else to see the house. I got a peep show yesterday and it was amazing. Is peep show like a sexual thing? I just said peep show and I was like, wait, that's not what it's called, is it? A sneak peek. Okay, wait, let me do that again. I got a sneak peek yesterday and the property is amazing and everything planned sounds incredible, so I can't wait to be there and for everyone else to finally find out what the new product is. Hey guys, but we're all waiting to go live for the product reveal and I'm very excited. We are live!
We've got a little bit of a game for you to play today, so we're not just going to give you the product, we're going to be handing out some gold tokens.
Show us the token. Alright guys, welcome to Aeroland. Like try our claw machine? Yes, I'm going to try this. Oh yes! Hey. Yes! this is the new product. It's called Aero, Aerated Foam. Super lightweight, it goes on really evenly, and I've been wearing it heaps since we shot it, and I know I've been raving about it, but it's seriously such a good colour.
It's a lighter product, it's longer lasting, and it's a darker product as well.
So we launched. Luckily, I got it in one go on the claw machine, much better than I did yesterday. And it seems like everyone had a lot better luck than I did today as well, which is great. Everyone's already responded so well to the product. So excited to party now. Welcome to Aeroland.
How cute is this, guys? It's like insane.
Oh guys, come on! Hey! Oh my gosh, look at this. Alright guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed the takeover. I hope you're super excited about the product. It's so good. We are now, half of us are going to Coachella, half of us are going to reset and then get ready for Neon Carnival. But I hope you had fun with us.
Shooting through the night, we're burning, don't know where we're going, so we just keep counting all the paper. Through the night, we're burning, don't know where we're going, so we just keep counting all the paper stars.
Steph again. We are at Coachella just to all have a bit of fun, celebrate a great weekend and a great launch of Aero. I'll try and get a few snaps of what you can expect at Coachella for you guys. Very excited to be here.
Lighting up the dark.